So this was mainly worked upon by Ojas, and then me and Srichan kind of chipped in. So this was done by the group members were Abhirup, me, Ojas, and Srichan. Um, so I'll just go down to the last question on this one because that kind of sums up the entire,
Sure, bro.
you know, yeah, the assignment. So the theme that we identified in uh, this one, Foursquare one, was to develop features to provide unique and personal customer experience to get personalized recommendations based on their interest.
Okay.
And then the epic that we derived from that was the taste feature helps user with personalized recommendation of places based on their preference and likes. Um, right? Then we created a couple of user stories from the user perspective only at this point of time. So something like I have already added my taste. I should now be able to get recommendation based on what kind of things I like and the kind of things I like to do. That was one of the user story, for which if we look at the task, the task would uh, be first creating the taste section so that we can capture the input from the user, and then basis on the input that we get from the user, we also get some details about what's the kind of timing and location that the user is on the app. Store and capture all of these preferences, and then we develop a search engine to match the suggested places based on the taste and the available options or experience that we have. Right? Any
Great.
questions so far?
Great. Thank. No, no, not yet. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. Moving on, the second case was as a user, I should be notified about new features. For that, continuously add new feature and notify the user. And we also keep on, updating the taste option so that user can add or delete preferences based on their choice. Uh, right. So moving on, the next user story was I have already added my preference. I wish to search, sort, and filter the options recommended by Foursquare. So for that, there are different filter and sorting options which we need to add so that it will be easier for user to, kind of finalize what they want to do. Um, the next one would be as a user, I should be able to give feedback to the recommendation. So for that, the entire feedback mechanism was created, creating text feedback and then storing it in a database or something like a complaint management if required. Then update and make changes as per the feedback is the would be the next iteration on it on this one. Um, right. And then moving on, the last one that we have is as a user, I should be notified of the places uh, I visit based on my current location. So that's where we would need the details of the location for the user, and basis on that, we'll share the details about what are the events or activities around which the user can engage in. So this is more on the user perspective piece. If we look at the hypothesis piece, we have also hypothesized the business outcome, wherein how it will be revenue generation would be done for Foursquare in terms of user engagement and an actual revenue from the third party. Whatever third party options we are suggesting, and that eventually would help with the revenue. Leading indicators for these would be increase in daily active users, average revenue, and NPS, some of them. So that is more or less what we were able to come up on the Foursquare piece.
Got it. Great, man.